Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option into OPPO A1K. First of all, go into your Google application, this one. Then need tap in the top right corner on your Google account icon and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant, and here we got Assistant tab, so go into this. And then you choose Hey Google and Voice Match option. Now need give access with Voice Match to Google Assistant, and now need say OK Google. And here we got turn on Google Assistant, so click it, and now we activate our Google Assistant in this phone. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.